SparkPredict is an enterprise software solution that uses artificial intelligence to optimize industrial maintenance. With advanced analytics and valuable diagnostic capabilities, customers can improve their workflows to maximize production and reduce costs. SparkPredict uses predictive machine learning models to analyze live streaming sensor data and accurately generate alarms when known or unknown machine problems are identified. Once an alarm is triggered, the work begins for a system engineer to investigate the cause and decide if or when to perform repairs. SparkPredict helps expedite this workflow with rich visualizations that inform and guide the diagnostic process. A user can start by scanning a prioritized list of features that contributed to the alarm, and then review the timing and correlations of these tags. The user can also compare new and existing operating behaviors for key clues about the nature of the problem. Once a new behavior is identified and investigated, the user can easily retrain the model to automatically recognize and classify these behaviors if they happen again. With these machine learning-enabled capabilities, maintenance teams can keep assets online and reduce the time and costs associated with downtime. SparkPredict, Reimagine industrial maintenance. Optimize asset operations.